Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be-Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing LimeSurvey, a custom survey tool, on Linux. To begin, launch a terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to install any available software updates. Next, we'll use apt install to install the Apache HTTPD web server and mariadb database, followed by another apt install to install PHP and the required components. Now we'll execute the MySQL secure installation script. Follow the prompts to set a root MySQL password and mitigate known vulnerabilities. Now we'll connect to the mariadb database using the MySQL command line utility. Using SQL commands, we'll create a LimeSurvey database, as well as a service account with full permissions to the database. We'll flush MySQL privileges, then exit the MySQL command line utility. Using regular expression, we'll look up the download URL for the latest release of LimeSurvey. Then we'll use wget to download it and extract it to the web root. We'll set the owner of the LimeSurvey directory to the www data group, then set additional permissions so the web server can write to certain directories. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host /LimeSurvey. At the welcome screen, click Start Installation. Accept the license agreement, then click Next on the prerequisite check. Using the video description as a guide, complete the database configuration form. Then click Next at the bottom of the form. On the next screen, click the Populate Database button. Once the database is created, complete the form to create an administrator account. Again, click Next at the bottom of the form. Click the Administration button, then log in using the credentials we just set up. Welcome to LimeSurvey, running on your Linux device.